a lot of people wonder if they could make it living abroad, and they're concerned. And I can understand their concerns, because what they're doing is they are projecting the environment that they currently live in, the economy that they live in, the prefabricated falseness. They're projecting it where they would go, and they don't see the things that would help sustain them. They don't see the structures, the scaffolding that would help them to make it abroad in the future economy. And that's because they're looking at it the wrong way. When you think about things like all the foliage and all the water and all the greenery and the fresh fruit that you would eat, and also just to see the wildlife, you're in a different economy then. You're in the natural economy, the state you were meant to be in. And so it makes whether you're going to go abroad to anywhere, to any other country, as long as you get out of the prefab one, the fake one, when you get out of that, you realize what was meant to be. And so that's really what you want to do, is try to look to escape, to move abroad and get in an economy that is sustainable for you and for life. It does remind me of the movie The Matrix, where Neo asks Morpheus, you mean I'll be able to outrun agents? And Morpheus says, you won't have to. When you project what you think is the solution from a prefabricated mindset that you were immersed in onto Wakanda, onto the motherland, onto another country that's outside of the West, when you project that thing will protect you and sustain you. But guess what? It won't. And the things you think you need, you won't have to. Just think about it. We've got a workshop coming up. It's going to be October 4th and 6th. Go ahead and register, and we will see you there. Learn how you can move abroad.
Informative.
Reassuring.
Transformative.
Exciting.
Thorough.
Informative.
Great experience.
Enlightening.
I bought this as a gift to myself for my birthday, and I'm happy that I did. It's been very comprehensive, encouraging, as Carla said, a lot of information, a lot to do. And I'm pretty excited about it. So thanks so much.
For me, it was very motivating. It really got me to thinking, and it enlightened me on a lot of different areas that I really hadn't thought about. So for me, I'm ready. I'm excited.
Did a great job. Covered everything. It's a lot to absorb. And I think you covered everything. So it's just a matter of really just getting your system and your plan together. That's all for me. Thanks for everything, y'all. Bradley's did a good job.
Thank you for planning out this workshop. It's been great and extremely informative. So thank you.
There's a lot here. Be encouraged, small bites, so that you're not overwhelmed. Be encouraged. I feel that it was a very enlightening class. I've learned a lot of information and a lot of things that I hadn't even thought of thinking of. So this definitely was a good tool for me.
All right.
And, I know how I have a little action plan going on here. And I know how I'm going to move forward. And thank God for this class, because prior to coming in, I was kind of all over, didn't really know where to start or, the things that I really should focus on.
I think the workshop was very helpful. All the information about banking and about shipping